Hey everyone, I'm Anne-Marie. Welcome to the Hella Basque YouTube channel. If you're new here, this channel is all about the Basque country and Basque culture. Today I'm talking about popular Basque girl first names. I did a series of videos fairly recently about Basque first names, but this one was really popular and you guys requested in the comments that I keep doing more videos about Basque names. I guess you haven't had your fill yet. So this is a continuation of that series. I have linked below the other videos I've done so far about Basque first names and last names, so you can check those out after this one. But this list that I have for you today is 21 popular names. These are submissions from my Instagram followers. I have a lot of cool Basque people who follow me at Hella Basque. If you want to join us over there, they submitted their favorite first names for girls in the Basque language. And I already did a video on the top 25 names. So the names on this list are kind of like the reserves, the ones that didn't make it to the top 25 names, but still submitted and still popular and very cool Basque names. So if you're looking for information on Basque names, you came to the right place. Now, as an added fun thing for this video, I snuck in a suggestion from my dad. If you're new to the channel, maybe you don't already know that my dad is from the Basque country. So I asked him for his favorite Basque girl name. So I kind of snuck it into this list and I will reveal at the end of this video which one was my father's suggestion. So stick around. Maybe you can figure it out yourself as we go along, but I'll tell you at the end of this video which one was my dad's contribution. So let's get into this list of 21 Basque girl names. Fair warning in advance, a lot of these names share the names of sanctuaries or churches dedicated to the Virgin Mary. If you didn't already know, Basque culture traditionally is quite Catholic, so a lot of these names have to do with the Virgin Mary. So you've been warned. But without further ado, let's get into it. In no particular order, I'm just numbering them to keep things organized. Number 21, Naroa. From what I've read in Basque, this can be used as an adjective to mean prosperous or abundant. But from what I've read also in certain parts of Gipuzkoa, which is a Basque province, this name, Naroa, this word can be used as a synonym for the word calm. So not only does it sound pretty, but it has some interesting meanings behind it. Number 20, Isar. This is the Basque word for star. So Isar means star. Very nice name. Number 19, Magi. This name written out works really well in English. Maddie is a name in English, so if you're looking for a first name that kind of is very Basque but also translates well into English, Magi could be the one for you. This is a variation of Mari, which is the Basque version of Mary, Marie, Maria. So there are lots of different ways to say Mary in Basque, but Magi is a very common one, at least that I know of in Iparralde, the northern Basque country, the French side of the Basque country where my dad is from. Magi is like a super common name. I know a lot of Magis. Number 18, Elene. Does it sound like another name you know? Elene is a Basque way of saying Elena, Helen, Ellen, all these variations in different languages. Elene is like Helen, Elena, Ellen. Number 17, Sayoa. Here we have another Virgin Mary name. Sayoa is the name of one of the most revered virgins of the Basque country. From what I've read, she has been the patron saint of Gipuzkoa, this Basque province I just spoke of, since 1918. So number 17, Sayoa. Number 16, we have another Virgin Mary here, Arantxa. This was the name submitted by my Instagram followers, but you could also see this name as Arantzazu. From what I've read, Arantxa started off as a nickname, a cutesy name for the more formal Arantzazu name, but now Arantxa is considered a name of its own right. Arantzazu is a very famous sanctuary to the Virgin Mary in the mountains of Gipuzkoa. It's a really cool structure, very impressive. A lot of famous Basque modern artists contributed to the structure and the artwork within it and the altar and all of that. So if you get a chance to visit the sanctuary of Arantzazu, highly recommend it. But yeah, so the name Arantxa comes from this place, Arantzazu. Number 15, Zuriñe. Now, if you're learning Basque like me, maybe you already picked up on Zuri is the beginning of that name, and that is the Basque word for white. So Zuriñe is like the name Blanca in Spanish or Blanche in English, Blanche French. It's a name based off of the color white. Number 14, Aitziber. This name is very difficult for English speakers to say, or at least this English speaker. The first and only time I met a woman named Aitzibet, it was the first time hearing that name, so I asked her to repeat it like 5 times. I think I had her spell it out for me, and then I got it, but it took me a minute. Aitzibet. A very cool name, also associated with a hermitage dedicated to the Virgin Mary in a small town in Nafarroa, the Basque province of Navarre. Number 13, Gexina. Maybe not so obvious, but this is a Basque variation of the name Grace, like Graciana or Gracian. So Gexina is like a Basque Grace. Number 12, Necane. Again, associated with the Virgin Mary. Also a Basque version of a very common Spanish name, Dolores. You may not see the connection right away. Necane, though, is a Basque name for Dolores. Number 11, Olaya. Not to be confused with Alaya, which we had on the last girl named videos. Olaya. This is a Basque name for... I read this name. I don't even know how to say it in English because I don't know anyone with this name. Eulalie? Eulalie in French, I got that, but I'm not so sure how to even say that name in English. But Olaya, for me, is easier to pronounce. But it has its roots from a Greek name that means the one who speaks well. Olaya. Number 10, Irune. This means Trinity. Not a very common name in English, Trinity, that I know of, but I've read that Trinidad is also a name in Spanish. Again, I've never heard that name in Spanish either, but I have heard Irune, so go figure. Maybe I need to meet more people. Kind of hard right now, but Irune, a cool Basque name to mean Trinity. Number 9, Olatz. You guessed it, another Virgin Mary name. This is the name of another hermitage to the Virgin Mary, this time in the Basque province of Gipuzkoa, Olatz. Number 8, Estibaliz. More Virgin Marys. Estibaliz shares its name with the most famous sanctuary to the Our Lady of Álava. So this name comes from the Basque province of Araba. I know a couple of Estibalizes. At least here in the US, they go by Esti to make things easier for English speakers. I don't know if there's a nickname for this name formally in Basque, in the Basque country, but Estibaliz, I've seen it shortened to Esti, and either way, I really like this name. Number 7, Insa. I was excited to see this name come up because I follow a dog on Instagram called Insa. Shout out to Insa. But this is actually a girl's name, apparently, for humans. Insa is the name of a town in the Basque province of Nafarroa, which, you guessed it, also has a very nice church dedicated to the Virgin Mary. Number 6, Argichu. Now, in all of my research, I didn't just make up these names. I go on Euskaltzaindia, the Royal Academy of the Basque Language. I go on their website and I look up what they say about these names. Argichu didn't have anything listed, but Argi did, and I know Argi, Argia means light in the Basque language. So I'm guessing Argichu is just like a cutesy name for Argi or Argia, a diminutive, I think that's called. So either way, Argichu having to do with light. Number 5, Nagore. Now, Nagore is also the name of a town in Nafarroa, which also has a church dedicated to the Virgin Mary. Are we sensing a theme here? Yeah. Nagore. Number 4, June. Or maybe in some parts of the Basque country, is this pronounced June? I'm not sure. The J in Basque changes depending on where you are, right? So my dad pronounces J's in Basque as Y sound. So I'm just going to say this is June. Again, this is another name I've only ever seen written out online. I don't know any Yunes, so let me know in the comments if that's false. Either way, it's not June. I know that much. It's spelled like June, but it's not. This name dates back to the Middle Ages, and it is associated with one of the Virgin Marys recognized in Irun, Gipuzkoa. Number 3, Arene. Arene is a Basque name for Ariane or Ariadne. Ariane or Ariadne. Arene. Number 2, Leshuri. I'd never seen this name before, but in my research I found out that this name is the way of saying the name Leire in a particular dialect in Nafarroa. So Leshuri is another version of the Basque name Leire, which was a name highly ranked in the last Basque first names for girls video that I did. But Leshuri also made it onto the list. And number 1 on this installation of 21 popular Basque names for girls is Maitisha. I gave this one the #1 spot because I know a lot of Maitishas. I have Maitishas in my family, so I told you they're not ranked, but this one was for me, really. On the official website of Eshkol Saintia, I didn't find anything under Maitisha. I'm gonna take a wild guess that this is a variation of the name Maite, which was also on that other video of Basque first names for girls. Maite meaning loved, beloved. So I think Maitisha is a cute variant on that name. So there you have it, 21 popular girls' names in Basque. And now, as promised, I will tell you which one was my dad's contribution. If you know Basque names, if you're familiar with them, was there anyone in this list that stood out to you? Let me know in the comments what you thought Aita's favorite name was. But number 13 was Aita's contribution, Geshina. This was Aita's way of, I think, messing with me a little bit, because the only Geshina I know of was a donkey. Last time we were in the Basque Country as a family, we stayed at our friend's place in Baigori, and they had a donkey, and first day my dad gave her the name Geshina, so that was his contribution to this list. Otherwise, he listed a lot of names that were already on the list, like Maite, Maji, you know, some very common names, but Geshina was his very unique contribution to this list. So thank you so much for watching this video. Feel free to share it with anyone you know who's interested in Basque names if you think they might find it useful. And if you want to learn more about the Basque Country and Basque culture, definitely subscribe to the Hella Basque YouTube channel and check back in with me every week. I've got a new video. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.